Okay, switch on and switch off. O. Yes. O. Orange. Letter O. Octopus. Yes. Understood now? Okay. Now, letter P. What is the phonic sound of letter P? Blowing the candle. You have to keep remember your birthday. Yes. Birthday को क्या करते हैं हम birthday के दिन? We blow the candle है ना, केक कटिंग करते हैं, उसमें कैंडल होती है. We blow the candle ना. How can we blow the candle? Yes, like this. So this is the phonic sound of letter P. Phonic sound of letter P. So letter P. Parrot. P. Peacock. Yes. Okay. Now we will see phonic sound of letter Q. Quack, 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 quack. Yes. What does the duck do? Quack, quack. But this quack, quack is not a phonic sound. Quack, 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 quack. Yes. This quack, quack, quack is the phonic sound of letter Q. Then phonic sound of letter R. What is the phonic sound of letter R? Yes. R. Rabbit. R. Rose. Understood everyone? समझ में आ रहा है ना? What is the phonic sound of letter R? Yes. R. Rose. Yes. Like this. Okay. Now we will see next. Phonic sound of letter S. Yes, snake in the grass. Yes, so S, sun. Yes, okay. Now we will see. In last class, we learned the phonic sound of letter T. Phonic sound of letter T. मैम ने क्या बताया था? T के लिए क्या याद करना है? टेनिस गेम. यस, टेनिस गेम होती है. उसमें क्या साउंड होता है? Yes. So this is the phonic sound of letter T. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter T? Yes. So T, tomato. Then T, number 10. Yes. Understood? Yes. So we all have to keep remember all these phonic sound. Okay. Phonic sound of all these letters. Okay. Yes. And we all have to remember objects also. From which objects, from which letter this objects get started. Okay. कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है वो भी हमें याद रखना है. ओके बच्चा? यस, एग्जाम में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ओके ओके. सो नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न वन मोर phonic sound. Phonic sound of one more letter. And which one is this? Letter U. Letter U. Today we are going to learn phonic sound of letter U. What we can see here? One boy is having umbrella. Yes. और वो क्या कर रहा है? He is opening this what we did today? Today we learned the phonic sound of letter U. And what is the phonic sound of letter U? Yes, like this. Okay, so my dear students, please keep practicing. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then,